is up, everybody? It's your girl Just Saying. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I would like to thank you for clicking on this video, and hopefully there's some more content that you would like to see from me. Alrighty. Hopefully there's some more content you would like to see from me. So today I wanted to do my everyday makeup look, like if I'm going to work or just going out for the day. Because believe it or not, I don't really do a whole lot of vibrant looks every single day. I barely wear foundation, so I like to keep my complexion, as less product as possible, especially going to work and having to run around everywhere. So if you want to know how I do my everyday makeup tutorial, please stay tuned. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, it also depends on the day of what I'm going to do to my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows aren't as thick, but I've been doing the castor oil, so they're not as sparse as they used to be, which means I can do my 5-minute brow tutorial or my lazy brow tutorial. If you want to check out that one, you can check it out in the I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll also put a information tab up top. But today I'm not like in a rush or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows the other way, not the lazy brow way. What I do is take my spoolie, brush the hairs up and over. I take my angled brush, and what I actually like to do is press on the brush because it allows me to get a nice defined eyebrow line and go into the brow. A lot of people say not to start at the base, but I like to do flicker motions at the start of the base to get my shape. Just defining that shape that I want. And I fill in from the tail first, which will be a bit darker. And as I get into the front, I do flicking motions in the direction of the hairs. I'm gonna finish the other brow and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so the other brow is done as far as filling goes. If you do have too much product around the front area, take your spoolie and brush in the direction of the hairs to fade in the product. I usually use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I use a square flat brush like this. And then again, I just start from the front, marking under where I want to carve out that brow shape. And I pull the product down towards the lid. Holding my brush like this, I like to mark where I want to start and pull the shape straight across before going into the curve. Then I turn my brush horizontally, and for the product I just go around the same line that I just created. Like to take the same color concealer, so I just go over these spots with that same color. I'm going to take my beauty blender and press into and blend out these spots. dense foundation brush and blend out around the eyebrow. Another step for brows is going into a brow gel. This is Brow Drama by Maybelline in deep brown. And just go ahead and lightly attach that on top of the concealer that I did. That was just really to color correct my dark spots. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to the back of my hand. I like to take my black opal powder and gently press that into the skin. I honestly swear by this palette. This is my Ray Ray with BH Cosmetics. I use the contour shades Mocha and Brownie Bite. I mix them together and we're going to do a light contour to the face. Now I'm actually going to go into my eyes. I don't really do eyeshadow, not with my everyday look. I just take a little bit of this Essence / Princess, and I like to use this area of the brush instead of the other. I don't know if there's a specific way that you're supposed to, and I just take off the excess product off the side of the cap because I don't like my eyebrows to look clumpy. I mean my eyelashes to look clumpy. What I would usually do is put the blush on and then top it with one of the ColourPop. Just dab into that and put that in the same area right above my blush for a gentle highlight. Back into my Ray Ray palette and take the highlighter French Toast. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, Cupid bow, and again in the cheekbone area. Another place I like to apply this highlighter is in the inner corner of my eye. But last but not least is going to be the liner. Sometimes I do a black liner, but I would do that before I put my mascara on. But for my traditional look, I'll just use the black liner to apply these beauty marks to my face. Guys, this is my everyday work or just everyday makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I have them coming for the new year. I'm super excited about what we're going to do this year. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.